If the perimeter of the rectangle below was known to be 90 inches, what would the value of x be in order for this to be true? Remember, we already made a better equation for this in yesterday's DSR. We're going to go ahead and do that again. We're going to set this up to have an expression for the perimeter. Perimeter is when you add all four sides up. So we have 2/3 x plus 10, and we actually have two of those sides, because this side and this side are the same. And we have two sides that are 1/3 x plus 5. This side and this side are the same. In order to combine this, we're going to follow order of operations. So we need to get rid of those grouping symbols first. And to do so, we're going to distribute that 2. The 2 needs to be multiplied by the 2/3 x, and it also needs to be multiplied by the 10. So 2 times 2/3 x is the same thing as saying 2 over 1 times 2/3 x. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 4/3 x. 2 times 10 is 20. Okay? We need to do the same thing here. 2 times 1/3 x. That's 2/3 x. 2 times 5 is 10. Now we need to combine our like terms. So we have a variable term and a variable term, and their variable is x. So we may combine those. 4/3 x plus 2/3 x. We're going to add our fractions. The denominator stays the same. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So here we have 2x. Let's put that down here. Now we may combine our constants, 20 plus 10, which is 30. Now we have a brand new equation, and I'm going to actually put my work off to the side here in a different color. So we have 2x plus 30 equals 90. We're going to follow our order of operations to solve this by drawing a line down the equal sign and undoing everything in reverse order. So now we're going to take care of the addition and subtraction as the inverse option. So on this side, 30 is being added. The inverse of add 30 is subtract 30. And we need to do that to both sides. So these cancel each other out. We're left with 2x. Here we need 90 minus 30, which is 60. We took care of that. What's left is our multiplication and division. 2 divided by 2 would cancel these out. It's just left with x. But since we divided by 2 on this side, we must divide by 2 on this side. 60 divided by 2 is 30. In this case, x equals 30.